Hello guys, welcome to this new video again, and I want to take a moment to little bit talk about what is express middlewares. So if you understand express middlewares, trust me, this is going to make your life very easier, and this is a very hardest thing to grab, but I will make easy for you. So let's see how we can use express middlewares and what it is. So I will create here a new file, #9 express middlewares.js. So first, as normal, first we will create our server. Const express is equal to require express, and we will initialize our app as we talked in the previous video. And if you haven't watched that, make sure to watch it because you won't get it if you are watching this again. And maybe you would have already worked in express.js, then that's another case. So I will provide here my port, and we will just console.log that when this server started listening on port 3000, we will send him a response: server started listening on port 3000. So there was nothing rocket science, and this is how we can create our basic server. And I will also create a simple get route, app.get, and this is the home page route. And same as previous, we have here request and response, and we will send him a response that welcome to the home page. And we will open our terminal, and I will just start this nodemon #9, and this will give us a result. And let me minimize this so that you can see better. And if I open my localhost 3000 here, welcome to the home page, as you can see. Now let's talk about what is express middleware. What the heck is this express middleware? So as the name suggests, it is a middleware, which means that it's a piece of code that is executed in the middle of something. So let me just demonstrate you. So express middleware is something you that runs when a route displayed before. What I meant by that. So let me give you one example. Before loading this home route page, express middleware is something that before rendering this all content, it runs before displaying this contents here. So let's see this in action. In order to uh, in order to use express middleware, first you have to do that. You have to define your route, and there will be your express middleware. So I will just we again have here something request response, but in express middleware we have something next, and we have to, this is a function. So first of all, normally by default it takes request response, but if you want to use middleware, it takes request response and next. So I will what do here, we will just console.log that, console.log hello, and let me show you. If I refresh this page again, as you can see, it is refreshing, it is not loading the page actually. So why? Because as you can see that we got hello. So why is this happening? So what the express middleware is doing, that before displaying any content into the browser, it is what doing that, it is actually executing the piece of code that is present inside this anonymous function. And if you don't know what is anonymous function, it is simply a function that doesn't have name. But in this case it is not anonymous function, it is a callback. So as you can see, the many time I refresh, the many time we will see hello hello. So what is express middleware is that a piece of code that runs before displaying actual the content. So this is what, and how to fix this. So simply, when the piece of code is executed, we simply call the next function. So what it will do is, that it will get the home route, and whenever we make request to that home route, first of all these pieces of code will execute, and if there will be no next, then it means it will just move around here, it will not execute the further function. And by putting next in our code, what it means that first of all it will console.log and then next, which means we will call that next, which basically allows you to do is to run this third function, that is this. So now if I will refresh this, as you can see our page is refreshing, but if I will remove this next, then it's not going to refresh. So this is how you can use express middleware. And what about if you want to use it in multiple routes, the question arises. So I'm gonna use this about, and this about will have normal request response, and we will simply send him a that's a typo, so it doesn't matter for now. So if I go to the about route, as you can see, welcome to the about section. What if I wanted to use middleware in all the function? Should I copy this always? Basically the answer is no. There is a very, as you can see we got hello, so there is a very little trick that you can do in express middleware. Either you can remove this or just copy this all code. I will cut this and I will remove this. So what you can do is actually you can use how to, let me just write here comment, how to integrate middleware in all routes. So there is a very little trick that you can use app.use function, which basically allows you to that you can put your middlewares here. So as you can see we put our middleware here. What it basically does now, it will put this middleware in every route that is present in this file. So if I just notice here that we have only here server started listening and put, but if I refresh this we will get hello. As you can see we will get hello, and if I make a request to the home page, we will again see hello, because it has integrated the middleware in all the routes that is present in this file. And most of the people, there is a standard way that you can create, or I will show you in the next tutorial. So in the next tutorial we are going to see that how you can, so basically in the next lesson we are going to see what is API, and firstly we will see how to create our own API. Then we will move further for creating our front-end application and dynamic content, and also for building mega projects like to do app and blog. So I will see you in the next video.